Alright, hello, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you learn English to speak like a native Englishman, to travel the world, and do awesome stuff. So, let's have a look at personal pronouns. What are they? And what are they all about? Well, personal pronouns are used to replace the nouns in the sentence, so the listener can understand who or what you are talking about. My watch, for example. Personal pronoun, this thing, I'm talking about it, my watch. Personal pronouns are used for both things and people, and the form depends on if it's an object or a subject of the sentence. So let's have a look. Subject pronouns replace the subject of the sentence and prevent repetition. That's important, repetition. Repeating yourself, saying it again and again and again and again and again. Don't need that. Who is Jessica? Oh, who is she? Who is she? Who is she? That is Jessica. She is a teacher. Using she to refer to Jessica. Here. She is a teacher. Who is that? That is Jessica. She is the teacher. She will be our teacher today. We will have her, she turns into her, tomorrow for our teacher. As opposed to saying Jessica the teacher, Jessica, or teacher, we just say she, her, her, she. She will do this, she will do that. This is her class, this is her lesson. So we have the first person, second person, and third person. We have singular, you, I, you, he, she, and it. It being third person. Plural, we, you, they. Who is she? One person. Who is she? Who are they? Are these people? Who are they? We. Who are we? Where are we going? You. Who are you? Who is he? Who is he? Who's he? Who's he talking to? What is it doing? It. What is the cat doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? It's climbing up the wall. It's climbing. It's swimming. He is swimming. She is swimming. Are we going swimming? Are we going swimming? I don't know. I, singular, one. I am a teacher. I am tired. They are here tomorrow. They will be here tomorrow. You look beautiful. I am tired. But you are not tired. I am tired. Talking about yourself, first person, I, or second person, he, she, or third person, they, it. But look, what's this then? Object pronouns replace the object in the sentence, so we don't need to repeat ourselves. And that's the key point there. So there's no need to repeat ourselves. Otherwise, we're saying the same stuff again and again and again and again and again, and it's not fun, not very efficient in language either. So look, trees love water. Trees love it. Love it. Trees love water. Water. Look at that. Water. Yeah. The tree, the plant even, the grass loves it. As opposed to saying water again and again and again, we just say the tree needs it. What do I do with this water? What do I do with the water? What do I do with it? The tree needs it. The tree needs it. It. They need it. What do I do with the water? They need the water. Okay, I'll give the water to them. What do I do with the water? They need it. Okay, I will give it to them. Yeah. Cats love Jessica. Ah, cats love Jessica. Oh, cats love sleep as well. Ah, cats love her. Oh, those are her cats. Ah, cats love her. Cats love Jessica. Yeah, cats love her. Remember, cats love her. They're going to go straight to her because they love her. Interesting. We don't need to say Jessica again and again, or the name, the noun, again and again and again. We just use the reflexive pronoun to talk about who or something, who or what belongs to who. So there's no difference between the direct and indirect objects. Remember, the direct object is the thing that's happening in the sentence. You know, I read the book. I read the book. And the indirect is a thing that inadvertently gets the benefit. I read the book. I am reading the book for my knowledge. I am reading the book to get ideas. The indirect object. So, I gave her the book. So I gave her the book. Yeah, I gave her the book. The dog loves him. There's no difference in the way the sentences are structured. I gave her the book. The dog loves him. I need it. I need it. Water. I need it. Water. Glasses. Glasses. I need to use it. I need to use it for reading. You could even say I used, or I gave, the dog loves, I need water. I told you the time with my watch. I told you the time with my watch, inadvertently. But look, in the subject, it's slightly different by the looks of it. Oh, it's the same. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And they change. I turns into me. We turns into us. You is always you or you all. He is for him, depending if it's the subject of the sentence or the object of the sentence. She turns into her. It is always the same, it. And they turns into them. So when it's in a sentence, I have my water. My water. The water is beside me. The water is besides me. I am the object besides me. The water is the subject. The water is besides me. We are going to Spain. Are you coming with us? Us coming, the verb, with us. Are you, subject, coming with us to Spain? You even. Let's zoom in a little bit. You and you are always the same. You is the same regardless of subject or object if it's a sentence. I am going with you to Spain. I am going with you to Spain. You are coming with us to Spain. Or you all. Am I going to go with you all? Are you all going to come with me? Or am I going to go my own? Are you all going to go to Africa together? But then he turns into him. He. And him. Yeah. He wants some water. The water is for him. He wants a haircut. He wants a haircut. The haircut is for him. No, the haircut is for him. Or even she. She and her. Let's have a look. Have I got any cash? Oh, I have got some, yeah. So look, the £10, the money is for her. It's for her. It's for her. She wants the money. She wants the money. She wants it. Yeah. Oh, I think, let's have a look. What else we got? What's this here? It, always the same, it. It is for me. That's my parcel. It is for me. It is for me. It is my parcel, my letter. Or they and them. They don't know what they're doing. They are coming with me. I told them not to do that. I told them they shouldn't go there, but they did it anyway. Oh, why don't they ever listen to me? Don't know. But all can be used to show that you is plural. Like here, you all. You or you all. You or you all. We can use it rather interchangeably. Do you want this wallet? Are you all coming with me to Africa? To China? To America? Are you? Are you all coming with me? Don't know. So look, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you all doing here? What are you all doing? What are you all doing? I want to tell her that I love her. This is her car. I want to tell her. This is her wallet, even. Jessica wants it for Christmas. Jessica wants it. She wants... whoop, not that one. Maybe not that one. Okay, it. She wants it, whatever it is. She wants it. This. For Christmas. She wants an electric plug. For Christmas. Fair play, fair enough. Or a light bulb. Or a light. Yeah. She wants it for Christmas. Fair enough. Jessica invited us all, you all, us all, you all, them all, you all, them all, us all, to the party. She invited us all to the party, and there's 10 of us. She invited all 10 of us to the party. Yeah, pretty good. So, by these reflexive pronouns, we can use them in sentences to talk about what's happening more so, or who belongs to what. So the listener can understand who or what you are talking about, and personal pronouns are both things and people, and the form is of the object or subject. You, we, us, her, here we are. He, him. If it's a subject of the sentence, it's he. Subject, he. Object, him. He wants a new watch. This watch is for him. She needs some chocolate. The chocolate is for her. Yeah, very good. Okay, very good. Right, however, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below, over there I believe, and the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.